Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today was a bloody day for me because two of my favorite stock got hit pretty hard, which is Nvidia and Tesla. Oh my god. But the rest of the market looks pretty good. Anyways, today we're gonna check the weather on Meta, Gold, Avgo, and we're gonna map out Visa. Let's start with Meta real quick. As you can see, we got rejected by this, which is funny because it's a measurement I took since pretty much February 25th. So I think it's time to update this downtrend because we finally had a proper bounce in this area. So let's do that real quick. Alright, as you can see, we are trading pretty much at a level 4 downtrend, and we are using this blue line as support right now. It looks like we're properly using it as support right now, which is nice. So let's see what happened next week. Alright, let's move on to gold. Looks like this entire week we've been trading sideways on gold. Not much action. Not much to say about gold. Doing its boring little thing. Alright, let's move on to Avgo. So Avgo is one of the stock where when I took the measurement, there's a very large gap of uncertainty, and I hate that a lot, but it is what it is. We have another 2.5% before we meet with our other major support line. Since this is a nice downtrend we're on, I can take a quick measurement. Alright, this rejection makes me think we are at a level 4 downtrend right now. That means if we are to go down all the way, we might have another 9% to the downside if we are gonna use this as a full downtrend support. Now let's go map out Visa. For Visa, I'm just gonna take two measurements, one from 2009 crash and one from 2020 crash, because those two really affected the financial market drastically, so it should have a really big impact. I'm just gonna add a quick measurement from this time period just to see exactly what's going on, and then I'm gonna draw the downtrend real quick. Alright, it seems we are using the recent trend at a level 4 for support right now, and we're bouncing off of it. We're very close to a downtrend level 1. We got about another, let's say 1% until we hit gap 1. And if we decide to go to gap 2 and use that instead, we got another 2% up there. Looking good, looking good. And now let's go to Tesla real quick. Normally I would not talk about Tesla that many times in a row, but there's a lot of action going on right now, and I wanted you guys to see real quick what's going on. As you can see, we got rejected by gap 1, not even gap 2. So it's as if the market is really in a rush to sell out. If you recall from my last video, I thought we might break it because it looks painfully obvious to most traders, you know? I thought the big whales would, you know, play this into their hand and be like, hey, we're gonna mess with these guys and push it even further. But no, the market is still in a lot of fear about Tesla, and they're just ready to take profit as quickly as possible. Can I blame them? Not really. I feel their pain. If anybody feels their pain, it's me, because I'm trading TSLL, which is 2x leverage of Tesla. So I'm in a lot more pain than most people. But I'm not gonna stop trading Tesla. The volatility is too awesome. So much volatility, which means so much opportunity. Take a look at this real quick. In the past 7 days, we had pretty much a 30% movement, which is absolutely insane. And this is why, even though it hurts a lot, but the opportunity to make money here is insane as well. So if you can't handle the volatility, well, stay out of Tesla is the best thing I can tell you. This ain't for everybody, that's for sure. Anyways, if you're trading any of these stocks that I talked about today, I wish you the best. That's it for me for tonight. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.